Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael coming at you with week 22 of the Robinhood Options Trading Challenge. Let me be the first to tell you, I hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving. And also, things are about to change with this challenge. Things aren't quite going as planned. Yeah, so the structure is about to change. Expect that to come into play next week. Before we get into the video, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any future content or giveaways. I post a new video every Saturday and I am constantly thinking of ways to better the channel. If you have any ideas, be sure to comment down below as well. And while you're down there, be sure to smash the like button because it really helps the channel out, helps grow the family more. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Coming in. What's good? It's Monday just before market close, and as you can see, we are in here in the handy dandy Robinhood 2 minutes before the market closes, and I am up $21 on the day. 20%. Good percentage wise. We're still very behind the goal of 360, but hey, green is green. 1 minute left of the market being open, and I'm in this Walmart call. It's up $24 on the day, $16 overall, 22% return. Looking good, feeling good about it. And our return just went up. We're now up to 121. I don't think I'm gonna sell out of it today. I have $4.92 buying power. But yeah, I think I'm gonna hold on to it. I think Walmart still has a little go in it. Okay, market's closed. Yeah, I would really like to see Walmart get to at least 121 before I sell out of this. I have until December 6th. Honestly, Walmart will probably hit 122 before that date, but I don't think I want to hold it that long. But yeah, that's how we're doing. It's Monday. That is really all the action I've had today. I haven't done anything with the market today. I've been at work, and Walmart has behaved and been a good option to hold today. Really, nothing to worry about. Nothing wild like holding Tesla. But watch out. Tomorrow, I don't have to work. So keep watching. We'll see what happens. Alright, it is Tuesday morning, just a couple minutes before market open. I just want to run through with y'all what I am thinking right now in this moment, and kind of just what I'm thinking for throughout the day. So it's 3 minutes till market open, and I have a play that I want to make. So let's hop into the handy dandy Robinhood and see if we can execute. Okay, so we got the handy dandy Robinhood open. Home Depot is having its earnings call right now, so that's actually what I want to play today. So I got this 122 Walmart call. Walmart is actually down a bit, so hopefully I can still sell out of it with a little profit, but I think I want to take that, and I think I want to hop in Home Depot and get on a call, because it took a big dip because it didn't quite hit what it wanted to on revenue. Usually when something moves a lot on earnings, it usually kind of deviates back to the norm just a little bit if it doesn't move all the way back. I want to get a call, day trade out of that, and then maybe get back in Walmart. But yeah, that's the plan. We got a minute till market open, so we'll see. I'll stay with y'all and we'll see what I sell out at. Yeah, we're here, we're live. All right, market should be open. So what I just did was I bought a 240 Home Depot call for next week, and that'll give it time. That'll give it some time to move up. I don't think Home Depot should go down too much more. Just before their earnings call, they had announced that they were going to miss a little bit. They didn't quite hit their expectations. So before their earnings call, the price moved down to about $229. So I don't think it should go below that. I think it's going to go up from here. So that's the morning. I'm trying to get back on this morning thing. When I can show y'all me trading in the morning, I want to show y'all me trading in the morning. But yeah, that's it. Market open. I will catch up at market close. Tuesday after market close, and I have some things to show and tell you guys. Okay, so let's hop into the handy dandy Robinhood and I'll explain. Okay, so as you can see, we're in the handy dandy Robinhood and we're down $16.59 on the day. As you can see, my account has a much larger amount than it did this morning. What happened is I made a deposit. Let me explain. As you can see, I'm holding this Tesla call. I saw things was ramping up, so I couldn't miss out. How I plan on playing this is I'm not even going to wait until after the announcement of the truck on Thursday. It could go good, it could go bad, but I'm not taking those chances. Thursday before market close, I am selling it. What I'm really hoping for with this is I'm just going to sell the implied volatility. That's what I'm doing with that, and then I'm going to take the money out of my account too. Guess what happened this morning? Let's hop into my history. I bought the call for Home Depot for $54, a contract for $240 on Black Friday. But go on, you see, this morning I accidentally put in an order to sell that same contract that I just bought. When I was trying to average down, I sold out of it, and that killed the little bit I had. So yeah, it was really bad. I was like, wow. I was so surprised when that order filled so fast. But then I looked at it, I was like, why is my account value not up? It was because I sold it. So with the remaining little bit that I had left, I bought this Home Depot call, which I am now really down on. Bought it for $46, it's now valued at $24, so yeah, it's not looking good, but I'm gonna hold on to that one for a little bit. Right now, about midday, somewhere in this time, I bought Tesla, I think for about $187. It's chilling at 236. I'm holding on to it for implied volatility on Thursday. So right now we're up $54 on it, 29%. It's not doing anything spectacular. It's good for right now. That almost offsets what I lost this morning, but today was something. This morning really had me going. Yeah, that's Tuesday. Probably won't have anything for tomorrow. Got a busy day tomorrow, but yeah, that's what Tuesday looking like. Catch y'all on the next day. It is Thursday after market close. I just got out of class and the account isn't doing so well right now. Let's just hop in and take a look. Okay, so as you can see, we are here. We are in the handy dandy Robinhood, and as you can see, it is not going well. We are down $58.94 on the day, 35%. Yeah, it's not looking good. Got $1.31 buying power. So let me show y'all what I did today. I actually picked up a Home Depot call for next week for $230, and I'm still holding on to that other Home Depot call. I figured, hey, what the heck. So yeah, really right now it's looking like my account has blown up because my account is in the negative right now, but I still have these 3 options, so we'll let this ride out and see how it plays out. So tonight Tesla has their earnings, and we'll just have to see how that goes. I switched out of my other option and bought this Tesla call because it was going to expire tomorrow, and I feel like even if it moved, I wouldn't have got the movement. So really with that, I don't know why I didn't just buy the call for next week, but you live, you learn. Yeah, this is looking like a disaster, but we'll have to see how investors take the Tesla truck announcement. I honestly feel like Tesla is going to go down after today, but I feel like it's going to come back up. Because last time when they announced the Model Y, people weren't too satisfied, but if it does go up, I'm holding it. I really should have got a call in the put, but right now I'm just holding the call, so we'll see how it plays out. I plan to sell before tonight with the implied volatility really just turned into me buying another one because there actually wasn't much added implied volatility. So my best time to take profit was 2 days ago, and I missed out on that opportunity. So we're potentially nearing an end of this challenge, because if I go bankrupt on this challenge, we're gonna have to move on to the next. But nevertheless, no matter what happens, I will keep the content coming, and if this is the end, there is more greatness to come. We'll have something even better coming, so be sure to watch to the end of this video so you can see what's coming up next. We are here, it is Friday, and Tesla finally announced the Cybertruck, and the stock is not doing so hot. So if you were watching yesterday, you know that today, my Tesla call, not doing so hot. So yeah, let's take a look at the portfolio, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, so as you can see, we're in the handy dandy Robinhood, and we took a fat candle down this morning, and we're down to $22.33. Let's take a look at what I'm in. Okay, I have a $39 PFE call. All my options are for next week. 2 Home Depot calls for next week, and yeah, we're just hoping for the best. I kind of reverted back to my original strategy for this challenge, guys. I don't want to wait anymore. I guess we're kind of going to convert the challenge. Oh yeah, also wait, let me show y'all what we're in. Okay, so we got the PFE call. If we look at this PFE call, I'm actually up $1 on it. So hey, we're up on something today. That's looking good. Home Depot, very bad on this call. We are down $44 on it. Not good. And then the other Home Depot call, we're down 14. That's that. The additional money we put in is gone. So I'm officially calling this challenge bankrupt. Next week, I want to start transitioning into covered options. Y'all be sure to stay tuned next week. Hey, it's gonna be nice. Profits are gonna be more consistent, and yeah, there's really so much you can do with options, and I feel that this challenge isn't really doing justice anymore because I've been losing a lot more than I've been winning, and there are other strategies that are more consistent, that provide more consistent profits, that you can scale up to provide greater gains. So that is what I'm kind of going to shift towards in this. And with that being said, I'm going to say that I'm going to be funding my account next week in order to get this started. But I'm going to keep it at an amount that is not too astronomical so that it's still attainable by all of you guys. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the L's that I took this week, and I hope you come through for the dubs to come. But thank you so much for watching, and peace.